Waste management service in Arkansas Delta. Finding a reliable waste management service in the Arkansas Delta can be overwhelming. At Sullivan's Dumpster Rental, we've earned our reputation by offering dependable, affordable, and efficient waste solutions across the state. Whether you're a homeowner working on a renovation or a contractor handling a large project, we have the right dumpster. We offer a variety of dumpster sizes to meet your needs, and our team will help you choose the best option based on your project scope. We pride ourselves on punctual delivery and quick pickup so your project stays on track. With our transparent pricing, you can expect no hidden fees or unexpected costs, just a smooth, stress-free experience from start to finish. Sustainability is a priority for us. We dispose of waste responsibly and follow all environmental regulations to ensure eco-friendly practices. From residential cleanouts to commercial debris removal, we make waste management simple. Our friendly, responsive team is here to provide clear communication and support every step of the way. Call us at 870-316-8896 to schedule your dumpster rental or to learn more. We're here to help you keep your space clean and clutter-free. Let's work together to manage your waste the right way, efficiently, affordably, and responsibly.